All right, so let's continue on. So the next question, how long do you think 10 meters is? So 10 meters is kind of like when we're looking at the bug situation, we wouldn't measure bugs in full meters. We'd use millimeters or centimeters because 10 meters is like a portion of the track. All right, so for instance, like 100 meters, this is like a big high school track or something like that, but that would be like 100 meters. On our track, it's probably our straightaway is probably not 100 meters, but it's probably pretty close. So we could measure the length of the track using meters because it's longer, but it's not so long that we would use kilometers yet. So the darkly shaded section of the track is the length of a 100-meter race. How many 100-meter races does it take to travel 1 kilometer? All right, so let's take a look at our star reference guide. And it says that 1,000 meters are in 1 kilometer. 1,000 meters are in 1 kilometer. So if 100 meters is right here, how many 100-meter sections does it take to travel 1 kilometer? So a kilometer is 1,000 meters, right? So 1,000 divided by something equals 100. So we can figure out what our what the length of, or how many 100-meter sections are in our kilometer, which is 1,000 meters. By looking at our cheat sheet, first of all, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So if 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, then 1,000 meters divided by what equals 100? 10. So we have 10 100-meter sections in a kilometer. All right. So using the cheat sheet is really, really helpful when it comes to this. All right. All right. Next, just clear the screen. Here's 110 meters. I want you to tell me how many centimeters are in 110 meters. How many centimeters in 110 meters? So there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So let's find out how many centimeters in 110. And you might want to use the zeros trick. So we take 110 meters and we multiply it times 100 to find out how many centimeters. So 11 times 1 is 11. We have 1, 2, 3 zeros. There's 11,000 centimeters in 110 meters. Let's take a look at another conversion. All right, so this pool is 50 meters. I guess this is a pool. It looks like a pool. These look like lanes. So 50 meters. How many centimeters? Let's see. Oops. Didn't mean to go that far. So how many centimeters are in this pool if it's 50 meters? Remember, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So let's figure out many how many centimeters. So you take 50, you multiply it by the amount of centimeters in a meter, which is 100. So 5 times 1 is 5. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So that's 5,000 centimeters.